Imagine you're sitting on your couch, scrolling through social media, and you come across an ad for Beam. It promises a life-changing experience, a chance to connect with people from all over the world. But is it really worth it? Let's dive in and find out. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to live someone else's life for a day? To experience their world, their challenges, and their joys? That's exactly what Beam offers. Beam is a social platform that connects people from different backgrounds and cultures. It allows users to beam into each other's lives, sharing their experiences and perspectives in real time. But is it just a gimmick, or is there real value to be gained from this unique concept? Key features of Beam. Real-time connection. Beam allows users to connect with each other instantly, creating a sense of immediacy and authenticity. Diverse community. Beam brings together people from all walks of life, fostering understanding and empathy. Interactive experiences. Users can share their daily activities, hobbies, and interests, creating a more immersive experience. Benefits of using Beam. Expanding horizons. Beam can help you broaden your perspective and learn about different cultures. Building connections. You can make new friends and connect with people who share your interests. Gaining new experiences. Beam offers a unique way to experience the world without leaving your home. Potential drawbacks. Privacy concerns. Sharing personal information online can pose risks to your privacy. Technical issues. Like any online platform, Beam may experience technical difficulties. Limited interaction. While Beam offers a unique experience, it may not be as fulfilling as face-to-face interactions. User testimonials. Highlight positive experiences. Share stories from users who have benefited from Beam, such as those who have made lasting friendships or gained new perspectives. Address concerns. Acknowledge any negative experiences or concerns raised by users and explain how Beam is addressing them. Final thoughts. Weigh the pros and cons. Ultimately, whether Beam is worth it depends on your individual needs and preferences. Consider your goals, comfort level with technology, and willingness to connect with others online. Encourage viewers to try it. If you believe Beam has value to offer, encourage viewers to give it a try and see for themselves. Is Beam really worth it? The answer is subjective, but based on the benefits it offers and the potential for personal growth, it's definitely worth considering. So, why not give it a shot and see what you discover? With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.